There are six parts of plant cell. Number one, cell membrane. Number two, nucleus. Number three, cytoplasm. Number four, vacuole. Number five, cell wall. Number six, chloroplast. I will explain the first part of plant cell is cell membrane. A cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outer covering of the cell. It allows only certain material to move in and out of the cell. It also